A journey of 3,000 years, beginning with a single thread.
Are you exhausted from trying to hold it all together? Welcome back to The Healing Weaver. I'm Alex. Today, we are talking about the immense pressure of maintaining a perfect facade. We are taught to be strong, to handle stress without showing a single crack. We believe that if we break down, if we show our overwhelming anxiety or sadness, we have failed. We are terrified of shattering.
And I'm Carrie. It's true, Alex. We spend so much energy trying to look unbreakable. But tonight, I want to show you the beauty of letting the pressure crack. On the table, there is a small, pale blue ceramic cup. It is a piece of traditional Ru Kiln Porcelain, one of the rarest and most celebrated arts from the Song dynasty. If you bring it close to your ear in a quiet room, you might hear something magical. A microscopic, crystalline ping. The porcelain is cracking.
Wait, it's cracking right now? Did the temperature in the room break it? That sounds like a disaster for something so valuable.
It's not a disaster. It's a masterpiece in progress. This is a defining feature of Ru porcelain called Pian, or Crackle Glaze. When the porcelain comes out of the extreme heat of the kiln, the glaze on the outside cools and shrinks faster than the clay on the inside. This creates an immense, unbearable physical tension. To release that pressure, and the surface must fracture. It creates a beautiful network of lines known as ice crackle.
To release the pressure, the surface must fracture. That completely changes how I view a breakdown. When we experience a breakdown in our lives, we view it as a total collapse. But looking at this cup, the fracture isn't destroying the structure. It is simply the necessary release of an unbearable tension. It's the sound of the vessel finally exhaling.
Exactly. And the most beautiful part, the cracking doesn't just happen once. A piece of Ru porcelain will continue to softly crack for years, even decades after it leaves the kiln. It is a living, breathing object. It teaches us that releasing tension isn't a one-time failure. It is a continuous, beautiful process of accommodating the changes in our environment. Your cracks are not flaws. They are the melody of your expansion.
The melody of your expansion. For our listeners who feel like they are about to crack under the pressure, let's pick 3 words from tonight's porcelain.
The first word is facade, a deceptive outward appearance that hides the truth inside. She was exhausted from maintaining a flawless facade for the world.
Second is fracture. Desinquance, to break or crack under pressure. He realized that his emotional fracture was a necessary release, not a failure.
And finally, resonance, a sound that continues to echo and vibrate, a deep, lingering emotional impact. The quiet ping of the porcelain carried a deep resonance in her heart.
As we close tonight, we invite you to look at the delicate ice cracks on the porcelain on your screen for 30 seconds. Give yourself permission to let go. Don't think, just feel.
See you in the next weave. Good night.